don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Gango. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Golden Arrows 1. I'm joined by Mr. Asi Tabule. It's Gok. Give Mr. Team Sugan.
Yeah,
the team.
Grootman,
Yeah, the team.
Je should niet Grootman naam team.
Big dog ngara in Mpumalanga.
Ja, je Grootman naam.
Yeah. Much respect.
I'm sure niet team.
Yeah, sure.
I take grain.
Yeah. I came with kanjani Gok.
Tibo kambajana tam.
Amnandi.
Singibingelele mpinjam. Bingelele nama fans wethu.
Yeah.
Baqhubeke
Subscribe.
Ba support. Ba like mpinjam yabona.
Bakhulume na kuma
Tibo
comment.
sizigene kancane game ine vandag Tibo.
Sure.
These kind of games Tibo ngawo biza my games la scripted. No.
Scripted game.
Yeah. Because of it was an open game.
Yeah.
First team, Arrows first half
Sure.
played very well.
Yeah.
If you check the second half, Pirates also came to the party,
Sure.
Stibo, we cut down on Stibo.
Yeah, unpack.
I'm checking at the technical team of our Golden Arrows, Stibo.
Sure.
But check starting lineup on say Pirates.
Yeah.
But Bonile bazamile breaker central, bazamile breaker on the left side, Van Rooyen, bahlulekile. But the only way ibavumile ukuthi break Tibo is on the right side.
Yeah.
La kudlala khona uMadiba.
Yes.
Match fitness from the boy, he's a good player.
Yeah.
Angalahli ithemba qhubeka adlale uMadiba, phakamise ikhanda lakhe every now and then.
Yeah.
But then the Arrows came with the plan Tibo where they overloaded the side dam Madiba.
Yeah.
Ungacheka ne goal yakhona Tibo come on that side,
Very.
And ubone lo mfana bamladisa too much,
Yeah.
But that transitions in football.
Yeah.
Like, uyayibona le ball ukuthi isuka kuphi isuka ku coach Mancoba, experience coach.
Yeah.
Biyakumamlutha Sundowns, for isikhathi eside.
Yeah.
I feel like today the football that bayidlalile lamajita first half is the football that they were funa bayidlale vele,
First half. Yeah.
But I feel like they were shooting knocks lapha.
Yeah.
Knock some teaser, a finisher, someone who will stay for them,
Yeah.
Ashmaya ngazi kenzakalani or uhambile or ukhona but akusindaba zethu.
That's the thing.
It was a player. If you couldn't knock khona, for sure it was a Spanisher Steve. It was a Spanisher cool Steve.
Yeah.
But coming to Pirates side Steve,
sure.
I wanna say congratulations, Coach Rivera and the technical team.
Yeah.
But make sure the changes that you saw Steve, I always call them tactical changes from the bench, ngoba uthi ayibona Rivero Jelu Dlamini Mamel dlala as a defensive midfield, slow down the colleague Mapola, make sure that you play those short passes or a through ball. Look at the goals too. So from the technical bench too. It was a simple ball, good Tito finish. Look at the last ball now Dlamini idlalile, but unfortunately it was not the goal. Udlale kahle na through pass lanes, Bafako Slepe, introducing Slepe, one of the youngest players lapho Pirates, first team. Babonile also came Vana, experience, ayikho grain. Atsukufake lana o support uDlamini. That's why uDlamini pull over dlala as a defensive midfield. Ungacheka nama passes Tibo uzobona. Move kunkota. As I said, move kunkota. You want to overlap the side on the left. Move uMako, Mofa kunkotha noMako, you chose ukuthi kahlahle usofuna kuphuma ngayiphi side. You played very well lapho Steve, Nkotha is a good player Steve. I always say Steve, these boys ngiyakujeba iphakamisa iflag bafana yebhakani Steve next time, And I want to say Steve, my man of the match for Vandag Steve, King Video. Sorry. King Video, I felt like udinga isikhathi Steve. match Steve ufuna kudlala Steve
Yeah, yeah.
hungry Steve
Yeah.
you know
Yeah.
and I understand why Rivera adlala umahopa now it showed me ngoking video you know
Yeah.
umuntu lona khona kwinama foul mahopa is one of the
Best.
the same udlala njengo not similar King Video but then is ugula endurance une speed at the same time that's what King Video brought to the Google game Pirates
Sure.
you know is easily Steve mafoul winner easily
win.
King Video I'm sure if I can get a boxing vandag me so ithole penalty
That's true.
you know udlale kahle Steve uphakamisile isandla umjito ukuthi say ngifake
Kuthi
ngikudabi
ngifake.
ukudabi ngizonibonisa
Hey.
no we played very well I want to say congratulations once again Steve Gui Pirates they play very well amajita
Yeah.
sambini ukudabi sobona usikwende kani Steve
Sizokhala.
angeke sikhali la fire Steve
Uyasho.
oh Steve
Straight win.
usho ukuthi badove bangalunga kubukho imvidi kumele basi
Into wome.
Steve abo Miguel kumele basime ngamabhokisi lapha ya ngoba yiso basifikile Steve
Ngizomfikile ne?
you know uthenga uMakaula simrestile
Yeah.
Van Rooyen simrestile simkhipile abakadlala ima 90 minutes urile usarelaxile Thibo bazule imali bazule imali le phambili
Washanga ke. Ngiyakwazi ngama prediction. Ngikayi prediction.
Thibo 3-1
3-1.
yeah
Le.
Ali
Thank you, Kwak. Ay, bulalile, Jaya.